ever. God is turning pain into purpose and your struggle into testimonies. And 1 Peter 5:7 says, "Give all your worries and cares to God, for He cares about what it happens to you." I am a living testimony of God still performs miracles. My story is not just about survival, but about surrender, restoration, and purpose. And now I stand here in front of you. I no longer hide my story out of fear. Instead, I boldly share my faith and walk with the Lord, declaring His goodness and faithfulness in my life. Truly, all the glory belongs to God alone. Thank you, and I pray that you will be encouraged to trust the Lord, not only in victories, but especially in the midst of trials. Amen.